How to make money with Amazon KDP with ChatGPT step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to make money on Amazon KDP with ChatGPT in the step-by-step tutorial in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to start things off, what you're going to want to be doing is obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have a fully set it up account on your Amazon KDP. You're going to click on join KDP, and once everything over there is set it up, you're going to go ahead and make sure the functionality of your account is working well. Now, once you do that, you're actually going to come to Amazon.com. So as you can see over here, I've searched up The Great Gatsby from, the KDP self-publishing, and you can see that The Great Gatsby, obviously, it is a pretty famous novel. It gets a lot of buys and it gets a lot of reviews. So let's say I'm going to go with some kids book, okay? Let's go with some kids book and look at these kids book. 8,000 reviews, meaning 8,000 people bought this, 4,200 people bought this, 1,000 people bought this, etc. And these are all paperbacks. So basically these are Amazon KDP published. So how are you going to make money on Amazon KDP? Today's niche that we're going to be going with is children's books, because children's books are easiest to make, easiest to get content for, and easiest to get money for. Like, the children's book on Amazon are absolute cash cows, and you're going to be glad that you came across this video. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead into our Canva first of all, and you're going to want to make sure to go with a book portrait. So I'm going to go into the booklet portrait design, and in another tab, I'm going to open up ChatGPT. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to design a cover for your children's book. And before designing that cover, you're going to come to your ChatGPT and you're going to write, create me a children's book about animals with a good title and, easy story line. Okay, you're simply going to write that, enter, and look at that. So the title is given The Great Animal Picnic, and you're going to get all these paragraphs and these pages. So basically, that's 50% of our work done. The content for our story is already written, and, we're going to work with this content of our story proceeding to the forward ends. So over here, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to actually create a cover for the book. So to create a cover for the book, first of all, you're going to choose a decent color for the background, and we're going to go into elements, and I'm going to write animals, because obviously the story's name is The Great Animal Picnic. So you're going to choose a photo with a lot of animals. So let's say I'm going to add this elephant over here. There we go. Then I'm going to add this squirrel over here, or fox. I'm not really sure what that is. And then we're going to add this lion over here. So just keep on adding as many animals as you can, so we get a proper design. Obviously, don't add any moving GIFs, because that won't look good in a print. So we're gonna add that. Obviously, I'm gonna send the sheep to the back, position the sheep backward. There we go. And just make sure to add as much animals as you can to fulfill the actual design. And add this turtle over here with the elephant and all. So go to the turtle. I'm going to go in position backward again. I'm going to keep this turtle right behind the squirrel. So, you're going to create your animal widgets. Then you're going to go into text, and we're going to add our actual heading. So I'm going to come here, add the heading into the center. There we go. And we're going to call it The Great Animal Picnic. Obviously, make sure that the first words are capitalized. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead to the colors. Okay, choose a good color for your title. There we go. So once we've done that, there we go. So there's your title page for your Great Animal Picnic. You're going to click on Add Page, and you're going to start adding the actual content of the story. You're going to start adding what the story actually insinuates. So once upon a time in the heart of the enchanted forest, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it over here. So I'm going to add a subheading. There we go. Click on paste. And obviously, once the design is adjusted, I'm going to go ahead, make the design bigger. And there we go. So once upon a time in the heart of the enchanted forest, make sure that it's all justified, because the justified alignment works best. So there we go. Then obviously you're going to create a new page, add the rest of the story. So our story begins with this. I'm going to go ahead and copy that as well. And just like this, you're going to create your very own story in the easiest way possible. Bring this up here too. Make sure the design fits. There we go. Justify it. There we go. And once you do all of this, keep on adding more pages so you can complete your story. And let's say I'm just going to come here. Let's end the story. And once you do all of this, add a subheading, paste it. I'm going to bring this up here. And there we go. So we're good to go again. Don't forget to justify every page. And once every page is justified, finally you're going to come over here, add the end. Okay, you're going to add the end page. And in the end page, you can add the same animals over here. So let's say I'm going to add this monkey to the top of the design. So there we go. That's the monkey hanging from a branch. Or you can even, go ahead and rotate this and add it to the top. So there we go. And then you can add some, let's say a bunny rabbit down here. So, add the necessary inputs, and there you go. So here you have your very own design, your very own Amazon KDP. So finally, once you've created everything, you're going to click on download. You're going to choose the output radius. So I'm going to go with PDF standard. Okay, obviously, because that's best for your KDP. Click on download. And once you click on download, it's going to download the actual design. So, you can actually go ahead and see how it looks. And look at that. So it looks pretty great, looks pretty nice, looks pretty incredible, good quality, and it's great for the kids. So simply go ahead into your Amazon KDP, and you're simply going to publish this book with all the, information about it. You're going to write its title, you're going to write its description. You can even throw in the summary of it, telling people what the book is about, what the book represents, what the book insinuates. You can tell the age group of the book, what age group can actually read the book. So once you've added all of that, you're going to be set to go. So that is how you can make money on Amazon KDP with your ChatGPT step by step. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.